Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox stories. First, you need to brainstorm your core idea. Think about the genre, like adventure or mystery, and develop compelling characters. Outline your plot with a clear beginning, middle, and end, ensuring a cohesive narrative flow. Consider the main message you want to convey and who your story is for. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful and engaging Roblox experience. Next, it's time to build your world using Roblox Studio. Design unique environments that serve as backdrops for your story's events. Each location should feel distinct and contribute to the overall atmosphere. Add interactive elements, such as clickable objects or hidden pathways, to keep players engaged. Aim for visual consistency across all your builds to create a believable and immersive experience for everyone exploring your narrative. Now, let's bring your story to life with scripting and interactivity. Write engaging dialogue for your characters to move the plot forward and reveal their personalities. Use Lua scripting to implement events, triggers, and player choices that impact the narrative. Design quests or challenges that players must overcome, adding depth and replayability. Don't forget to incorporate sound effects and background music to truly immerse players in your unique world. Finally, it's time to refine and share your creation. Thoroughly test your game to identify and fix any bugs or glitches, ensuring a smooth experience. Gather feedback from a few playtesters. Their insights are invaluable for improvements. Optimize your game's performance so it runs well on various devices. Once you're confident, publish your story on Roblox and share your imaginative world with millions of players around the globe. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.